Hey guys, what's going on? Levi here from Digital Epidemic. Wanting to shoot a video here about the GoPro Hero 7. So, without further ado, let's jump in. I am new to the whole GoPro world until just recently. I bought into the Hero 7 Black and I absolutely love this thing. It's just tons of fun. I love it for just about everything, but I use it mainly to video my kids and to make videos like this, what you see right now. Either some kind of like super close-up cam if I'm working on something, or I've used it for like a top-down cam even. The reason that I really love it, aside from the fact that it can do, that it's a dedicated machine for doing video, they can do 4K and it looks amazing. It also just has this great mount system. And I'm sure you've already heard about this, but it is awesome. This little guy, here. It just means the accessories go bananas with what you can do with this thing. So we can just thumb screw this right off the tripod here. Handy little tripod for sure. And it's got this outer cage that it lives inside of when I'm using it, that you can pull it out of as soon as you open it all the way. And out it goes. Now it does have a door for that little area right there, but I keep it off because I also like to use it in my GoPro Karma. Another huge accessory would be that guy. Now, they did discontinue these. I think they stopped in like 2018, but you can still pick them up used. So it's a really awesome way to get into a drone if you already have the GoPro system. Actually, I'm not gonna put this away yet because there's too many goodies inside of here. It also has a handheld stabilizer. And then you just hook this little guy on right here. And now you got a GoPro mount. You can mount a stabilizer anywhere that you can mount the GoPro. Not that you would need it a ton with the GoPro Hero 7 Black, because it does have hyper smooth, which is amazing. It pretty much has replaced my handheld phone gimbal that I was using that was similar to this, but it held a phone on top. And now I pretty much just use this guy. Some of these accessories that I like to use, while it's in here, is like this guy right here, the shtick, because then you can really get it far away from you and have it looking back down at you. I also really like this for like behind me and down towards the ground when I'm on my longboard. Get some fun shots that way. This is one I used recently, the old suction cup on the car. Mount it right to the car and get some fun driving footage. This is a must-have. The old double charger with extra battery, which I think brand new is like around 50 bucks. All this stuff, any questions about it, look down in the description. Tons of links everywhere. Take you right to it. You don't have to go shop around. You just go click down there and it takes you right to it. But this is a necessity because these batteries don't last forever. I want to say maybe 45 minutes the way I was using it. Another fun accessory, you got your, you could do the old head mount action and have it getting people that way. Another one I like to use this one more, is the chest mount here, because then you can put it on like a, almost like a gun holster or something, but put this guy around back, sits right there. And you got just a kind of a different point of view, because then you can actually see your arms in the shot, which can be fun. You can almost feel like a, I don't know, like a first person video game ish. I don't know, you know, Minecraft with like the little arms. Anyways, another one I picked up that's fun is a bar mount. We like to go to the sand dunes. We have been into dune buggies forever. So we put this around the bar, clamp it down, and we can get some cool footage driving the dune buggy around. Some of the other features that I really like about this thing are, let me get it on here, flip to time lapse. They've got a newer time lapse on this one that is called Timewarp Video. Timewarp Video. That is a ton of fun because it doesn't just take a picture every 5 seconds and then try and stitch it at the end. It actually takes it more like a video. So then it's really super smooth and it doesn't jar around or anything like that. It can kind of use some of the technology it has for the hyper smooth within that. But yeah, between that, the Timewarp Video, and just the hyper smooth video, it is just so much fun to play with. And I definitely recommend, if you're on the fence, getting one of these for sure, because you can use it for just so many things. And you don't just have to use like the super wide angle fisheye lens. You can cut it down to like, I want to say 2K. You can do linear mode. So then it's not all fisheyes. You can use it like a regular camera too, if you didn't want that action cam look. Anyways, I think that's all I had to show and tell. So until next time, leave me a like, comment, all that stuff down at the bottom. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.